Think rope is just for tying knots? Think again. Here are 5 surprisingly cool things you can make with just rope, a glue gun, and a little creativity. Let's get into it. Project 1. Hanging rope shelf. First up, a slick hanging rope shelf. Grab 2 wooden planks, drill 4 holes near each corner, and thread your rope through. Make a knot under each shelf to hold it in place, then tie both rope ends together at the top. Hang it up. And you've got a simple modern shelf made almost entirely with rope. Perfect for small items or just for the aesthetic. Project 2. Rope-wrapped bottle makeover. Next, turn any empty bottle into rustic chic decor. Start at the bottom and hot glue twine or rope all the way up, wrapping tightly. At the top, cut the rope and secure it with a final dab of glue. Want to level it up? Add a ribbon, a charm, or a flower. Boom, a display piece that looks like it came from a boutique. Project 3. DIY rope bowl. Now for something both stylish and functional, the rope bowl. Start with a flat spiral for the base, gluing as you go. Once it's wide enough, place a real bowl on top as a mold and keep wrapping upward, following its shape. Finish at the rim, glue the end, and remove the mold. You just made a trendy rope bowl, great for keys, fruit, or whatever needs corralling. Project 4. Kitty rope pencil holder. Project 4 is bringing the cute. Start by spiraling rope around the bottom of a tapered glass, gluing the coils to each other, not to the glass. Keep building up the sides, layer by layer. As you near the top, pinch 2 points of the rope to form little cat ears. Remove the glass, secure the end, and add some whiskers and a tiny triangle nose. Now you've got the perfect pencil holder, handmade and adorable. Project 5. Rope-covered can vases. And finally, don't toss those food cans. Clean one out, then start at the top and glue rope in a spiral, wrapping all the way to the bottom. Trim and glue the end down. Use it as a vase, a pen holder, or even for makeup brushes. It's minimal, trendy, and totally upcycled. Who knew rope could do all this? Shelves, bowls, bottles, even a tiny cat cup, all made with basic supplies and a little time. If you like these rope projects, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY magic, and let us know which one you're making first.